Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app and let me check whether we can change the position of the camera, but I don't think so. So we have to do it like that. Right now we are in the standard capture mode, so just leave it like that. Now let's go to the top where we've got the settings, and for some reason the settings are the other way. So in this configuration the settings icon is in the left upper corner, so let's tap on it. All right, again. And here we have to localize the timer. So in the photo settings, we've got the option countdown duration. So let's simply tap on it. And here we've got three different options. So off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately marked right here. So it means that it has been set. So now we can go back to the camera and check. Right here, we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set, which is a shame, I would say, because we can obviously forget that we've previously applied the countdown, and if we need to take a fast photo of something, then we could be surprised when the timer will be turned on, but well. All right, let me focus. Let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. All right, so to turn off the timer, you have to enter the settings again, obviously. Localize the countdown duration and tap on off. Now we can go back. And from now on, our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.